This time we are heading to 185 miles away from San Jose, California, to a place where it's famous by a big rock, Morro Bay. We have been to Morro Bay for 3 times so far because it's a good location for a weekend getaway from the valley. Morro Strand RV Park is walking distance to the beach and the big rock, very convenient. After settling down, we can't wait to head to the beach. In the early 1950s, Mr. Arthur Coleman began efforts to get the Morro Bay Harbor dredged, connected a road from Morro Rock to the waterfront area, and to build a waterfront park for children and visiting families. Coleman Park is a great location for bird and ocean life watching. Next day, we woke up to weather like this. Rain stopped! By looking at clouds, we knew it's gonna rain again, so we hurry out, try to get some sightseeing done in between rain. We walked around the Morro Rock, look at the waves. People risk their life to take pictures of splashing waves, kind of dangerous. Uh-oh, weather wasn't looking good. Rain started to pour. We got soaking wet in just a second. But Johnny sure had fun running around the beach.
Too much fun, didn't you, at the beach, huh?
In the sand, huh?
Holy cow.
That's what we got.
Okay, we get out.
No, not yet. He hasn't done yet. It was a nice sunny day next day. Perfect! We rode back along Highway 1 and had lunch at the Ventana Grill. It has a spectacular 180-degree ocean view. After lunch, we kept riding on Highway 1 toward to Big Sur. Uh-oh, we had to turn around soon after passing Ragged Point because there's a mudslide at Mud Creek washed off the road last winter. So we stopped and flew our drone. When we were going to download the footage, we realized the pilot forgot to press the record button. Oh, can't believe it. Well, at least we have a proof that we did fly it. Really beautiful coastline. Dancing right in front of their eyes, we had a great time. We were echoes, not vibes. When we were dancing right in front of their eyes, we had a great time. We were echoes, not vibes. We're back to Morro Bay and flew drone again. This time we made sure to record it. Morro Bay is only about 3 or 4 hours drive from San Jose, a good location for a weekend getaway. What are you waiting for? Start to plan your next trip.